Hi everyone, welcome back to our Excel course. In the first video, we talked about what Microsoft Excel is. Today, we're going to look at the Excel workspace and explain every feature in a simple way, step by step. Even if you've never seen Excel before, by the end of this video, you will know exactly what everything is and what it does. First, when you open Excel, the first thing you see is a workbook. Basically, the entire screen is the workbook. A workbook is like a book. Just like a book has many pages, a workbook has many sheets. Now, a sheet is a single page where you can enter your data. By default, Excel gives you multiple sheets. It gives you sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3. It keeps on going at the bottom. You can rename a sheet by double-clicking its name. For example, you can call it sales, data, or budget, whatever you want. You can also add new sheets, delete sheets, or move them around just like pages in a book. On your sheet, you see a big grid. This is a grid. This grid is made of rows and columns. Rows go horizontally and are numbered 1, 2, 3, 4 down the left side. Columns go vertically and are labeled A, B, C, D across the top. So basically, rows are numbers and columns are alphabets. The intersection of a row and a column makes a cell. A cell is where you type your data. Now, each cell has an address on its column and row. For example, if you click the cell in column F and row 8, that cell is called F8. Think of it like a coordinate on a map. Column first, then row. Now, a cell can hold numbers, words, formulas, or dates. You can select a cell by clicking on it. The border turns dark, which shows that the cell is active. Then you can type directly into the cell or type in the formula bar at the top. The formula bar shows exactly what's in the cell. Now, next to the formula bar is a name box. The name box. The name box always shows the address of the active cell. For example, if the name box says F8, that means the cell you're clicking or typing into is F8. This is very helpful when you want to jump to a specific cell quickly, or when you are lost and you just don't know the particular cell you are typing into. Now, let's look at ribbons. They are at the bar at the top of Excel. The ribbon is like a toolbox with all the tools you need. Just imagine you're like a carpenter, a plumber going to someone's home to repair something. You always have to have your tools. That is how Excel has its tools. And this toolbox, it has what we call tabs. And as you can see, you have the Home tab, Insert, Page Layout, Formulas, Data, Review, View. And each of these tabs they all have groups of commands. For example, in the Home tab, you can change the font, make text bold, italic, or underlined. You can align your text left, center, or right, format numbers, or create lists. We'll learn how to use these features in later videos, but it's good to see where everything is first. Above the ribbon is the quick access toolbar. By default, it has save, undo, and redo, but you can add more tools if you want. Now, at the bottom of your screen, you see a zoom slider. This lets you zoom in if the text is too small, or zoom out to see more of your sheet at once. And that's it. Now you know the Excel workspace, the workbooks, sheets, cells, rows, columns, the ribbons, formula bar, name box, etc. In the next video, we'll start entering data into Excel